Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy from JoyaGoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head to joyagoo.com and sign into your account. Once we sign into our account, we want to go ahead and put the products link or name of shop link. But for this demonstration, I'm going to buy a watch from JoyaGoo, so I'm going to click on watch. Now from here, I'm going to scroll down, have a look at all the different watches I can buy. So now I've got two options. I can go from tab or 1688. So I'm going to go to 1688 tab and then scroll down. Here's a watch I can go ahead and purchase. So I'm going to simply click into the product. Now we're going to come to the product description or product page. I'm going to scroll down, and then from here it's going to tell you what it is. Keep scrolling down. It's going to show you the price. Now it's going to give you a bit more information. We will purchase, etc. From here we could click on the size helper if we like, so we can go ahead and use that to determine, make sure we put in the right measurement fields when we're filling this order out. So minimum purchase quantity, this should be very straightforward because you don't need too much of a size of this watch. So minimum purchase quantity 1, if I want to go ahead and purchase 5, I can. Now we can also leave a message, so write a message only when you have special requirements regarding this order's purchasing. Then from here I want to go ahead and click on check it, agree, and then click on buy now. Now before I do that, I need to make sure to pick a color. So I'm going to go with this beige color and then click check agree and buy now. Now a little disclaimer is going to appear. Go ahead and give that a good read. And then once you've done that, it will say confirm. If you don't want to prompt again, click do not prompt again. Now we're in the confirmation order page. Now I want to scroll down, make sure everything looks good. So we got the product here. We've got the domestic shipping, we've got unit price, we've got the amount, we've got the value added service. You want to add a video QC, fine inspection, extra photos, or if you want to remove a label, you can. And then it's going to say your total price. From here, you want to go ahead and click on buy now. Make sure you've checked I've read and agreed. Click buy now. Now this is where we can go ahead and put in our bank card details or pay for it. So we can use our balance if we like, or we can use debit, credit card, Alipay, Skrill, Pix, Google Pay. So if I want to do debit, credit card, I'm going to click onto that. Just scroll down. Now we need to put in the cardholder's name, number, expiration, CVC, CVV number, and click on place order. Then once you place your order, go ahead and review your details and confirm. You should receive an order confirmation email. Then after that, you can track your orders after shipping and track your parcel through your JoyaGoo account or the tracking link provided. Now, if you want a shipping estimation too, we can go ahead and click on estimation and put in your destination, your weight, length, width, and height. And also, if there's any mail restrictions, you can calculate. So you can calculate how long that product or products are going to take to ship to where you live or reside.